goodness, guys, we just found like something crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Check this out. This is a twin turbo. I believe this is one turbo right here, another turbo right here, twin turbo GT Mustang. Look at this. Look at this. This is at least 80K in upgrades right here. I promise you. Look at this. Look at this car, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this car. I'm inside a Hellcat right now, bro. I'm inside a Hellcat right now, bro. They left the keys here, so if I really want to start it up, I can. What is good, YouTube, man? It's your boy SRTJ. We back with another video, man. Y'all can see right here, we are at this dealership called Texas Hot Rods, right? Now they got some insane cars in here. I'm talking about, y'all see it, it's a GTR just sitting in the parking lot. Somebody here, that's somebody who owns a GTR is in there looking at another car. So you know they got some cool cars. The GTR is looking to get another car. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. It's gonna be a lit vlog. Come car shopping with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of SRT already. You know what I'm saying? Even though I ain't got the SRT back, I'm already tired of it. So y'all enjoy this video, man. I'll stay tuned. I'm gonna see y'all when we actually get in there. All right, y'all, we have made it into the dealership. Dude, look at all these cars, dude. This is sick. All these cars. Oh my goodness. Hey, we got a lot of cars to review today. Check it. Look at this. Y'all see this? Is this a Z01 or SS? Looks like that's a Whipple. This is Whipple. This is a Whipple supercharger. This is sick, dude. Oh my goodness. Is this SS? It is SS. So this is SS with a supercharger on it. All right, y'all, man. Look what I done found, bro. They got my dream car up here. Look at this. Chevy SS, dude. This is like my first time seeing it in person. Like, I've seen them in person, but like I ain't ever got up close to one. Like, and been able to, like, can I even open the door? Oh, I can open the door. Dude. Chevy SS, dude. Check this out. Y'all see the SS on this. If y'all don't know, these cars are extremely rare. Oh my god, they don't make these cars no more. Like, this is my dream car. I love this car so much, dude. The fact I just got in one, well, I didn't get in it, you know what I'm saying, but I opened the door to it, and it's just, oh, y'all don't understand. Not only do they have one Chevy SS, they got three of them. 3 Chevy SS's over here, dude. Look at this. This is beautiful. This one, I don't really like the color on this one too much. It's not a manual either. I think I've seen this one before. I believe this one's a manual. I believe so. Nah, it's not a manual, but I know this one is cam. Because I looked on their website, because I was looking at some Chevy SS's, and this one is cam, so. Oh man, this car is sick, dude. I love Chevy SS. Let me know in the comments, what is y'all dream car? Let me know in the comments what your dream car is. Am I weird for having this dream car? I don't think I am. This car is amazing to me. All right, y'all, next up, they got, sorry if it's a little loud. They just started up like this loud ass 5.0 Mustang. Check this out. Y'all see the big Hellcat, my boy. Big Hellcat. It's not a red eye, but it's a Hellcat. Y'all know Hellcats is just goated. They forever gonna be like an iconic car. Let's see if we can get inside one. Dude, check this out, bro. This is a sick car. The red dash, 200 on the dash, man. Don't play. Look, I'm finna get inside of it. I'm inside a Hellcat right now, bro. I'm inside a Hellcat right now, bro. Check this out. SRT on the seats. I think this is carbon fiber. Dude, this car is sick. They left the keys here, so if I really want to start it up, I can. But I'm not gonna do that, because I have manners. Good home training, you feel me? This car is sick, dude. I've never been inside a Hellcat. If one of y'all got a Hellcat and want to give me a ride, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I'm all for it. So, next car behind it is this Mustang 5.0. And I don't like Mustangs. Come on, bro. You gotta stay away from the Mustangs. The Mustangs be crashing into everybody and their mama. You gotta stay away from them. I don't even want to get in this car. I might have a curse or something. Check it out, though. If y'all like Mustangs, let me know in the comments. I'm not that big of a fan of Mustangs. I try to stay away from them. You feel me? I do not like Mustangs at all. Not one bit. Stay away. All right, now over here, I guess this is just like the Corvette lineup. Cause all right, y'all seen the Z06. I don't know if I showed this already, but we're gonna show this. Got a blue Z06, right? Corvette C7. This car is sick, dude, and it's manual. Y'all can see, manual Corvette. Way different than the Stingray I was driving. I know it's a big difference. That's a supercharged. That's a supercharged. Another blue one. Let's see what it is. It don't got no badges on the side. So I'm gonna go with Grand Sport. I'm gonna go with this. Oh, it got carbon fiber interior though. Y'all see that carbon fiber? Oh my goodness. Check out the carbon fiber in that, dude. car is sick. Oh goodness. This Corvette might be my favorite. Look at this. It's a Z06, right? C7 Z06. Dude, look at it. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I can see Z06 on the side. The carbon fiber. Check out the carbon fiber. Look at the back of it. Oh my goodness, this car is sick. I want to sit inside this, but I ain't gonna do that. Isaiah, you got some competition up here, boy. If you watch this video, you got some competition. That ZR1, I don't know if you can keep up with this. I don't know what this is though. Y'all check it out. Let me know in the comments what this is. This is a Grand Sport Z06. What is it? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, man, they got so many sick cars here. Like, I'm in heaven right now. This is car guys heaven. All right, now I might make some Corvette guys mad in the comments, but I am not a fan of this body style of the Corvette. Y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all like the C5 body style? It's a Z06, okay? I mean, it's supercharged, but I don't know. I just don't like the outside. The inside is cool. I'm not gonna lie. Inside it's decent. It looks old, but I don't really like this body style. Like, I don't know. Y'all like this? I can't stand it. Like, compared to this, I'm going with this. This is the best body style of the Corvettes they have ever made. And I've actually seen this one on their website. This has been up here for like 50 years because they got it overpriced. They want like 100K for this Corvette right here. Crazy. Is it a Z06? It might be. I don't even think it's a Z06 and they want 100K for it. This is a Pontiac GTO. Y'all don't know nothing about this. This is like, oh my goodness. I bet you this thing sounds amazing. You start this motor up, it's chopping. Guaranteed they got a cam in it. Just like the Chevy SS's. Put a cam in it, you're good. That's all you need is a cam. Guys, we just found like something crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Check this out. This is a twin turbo. I believe this one turbo right here, another turbo right here, twin turbo GT Mustang. Dude, what type of tires does this thing have on it? It needs bigger tires. Twin turbo GT Mustang. This thing is dangerous. Mustangs are already dangerous. You're always crashing into somebody, and then you put twin turbos on it, and it's a manual. You're done. You're spinning in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, however many gears it got. You're spinning. Doesn't matter. You can be at a 20-year-old in fourth gear, and you floored. You're spinning. What? That thing is sick, bro. That scares me, and I have not even heard it or drove it. I don't want to drive that. That's scary. Next up, here's the GTR. Now these things are sick. GTR right here. Look like a newer one too. This looks insane. Oh my goodness. I wonder how much they want for this. I know they want a pretty penny for this one, but this is beautiful. This car is beautiful right here. Can't even see on the inside of it. Windows tinted. I like it. What is this right here? GT500. Oh yeah, they got the big boys over here. Oh, I've heard about this car. This car is, look at this. Look at this. This is at least 80K in upgrades right here. I promise you. 80K in upgrades. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I know this thing just moves. You need a bigger tire on the back. Look, Mustang drivers. And once again, this scares me. I don't want to drive this. Mustangs are already dangerous. You crash into everybody. Then you put that in the engine. Oh, you're done. You're dead. I love the taillights on this model of the Mustangs. I love this Mustang model so much. This has to be my favorite Mustang model. I'm not gonna lie. I take it back. I like this model more than I do like the older Terminators. Alright, YouTube, man, it's gonna be pretty much the end of the video. I want y'all to let me know in the comments which car y'all taking home with y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I'm taking the Chevy SS. Y'all know how I feel about the Chevy SS. Matter of fact, we're gonna get inside one. Just because, dude, like, these cars are insane. I don't think I can get in trouble for getting inside one. I don't think I'm gonna get in trouble. But, dude, look at this. Look at this car, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this car. If I had this car, it comes with paddle shifters too. Dude, just look at it. The interior is not all that. I'm telling you, once you start this, I wish I could start it up. Look at this. Push start. All I gotta do is push the button, put my on the brake. The key's right here. All right. That's all I have to do. But dude, this car is insane. I'm in love with it so much. All right, YouTube, man, that's for real gonna be the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Again, once again, let me know in the comments which car y'all taking, which y'all had the choice. Honestly, y'all know I'm going with the Chevy SS's, man. I love them cars so much. Before we end the video, check out the Z01 on drag. You know he mean business. But I will see y'all in the next one, and y'all stay safe out there. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.